Hey guys, and today I'm back at Airsoft GB in Essex, and we're playing a search and destroy game. Those of you who have played Call of Duty will know this game pretty well. One team has 2 bombs and the other team has 2 locations they have to defend. They've got a fortress and they've got a bank that they have to protect from the attacking team, which is my team, from planting the bombs. Today I'm using my Tokyo Marui VSR, my Mach 23 pistol and my P226 pistol, which you can see here. I've also got my Wild West 6-shooter shoved in my plate carrier as a backup. And what I'm doing here, I'm moving ahead of my team, sort of probing the defences. There aren't a huge number of players today, it's probably about 12 a side, and I'm probing to try and find out where they are located. I hope you enjoy this gameplay, guys. Enjoy. As you can see, I've got a little bit different loadout than what I'd normally wear. I'm not wearing a full ghillie. I've just got I'm wearing 511 Realtree trousers and a Jack Pike top. But I am wearing my Kicking Mustang Custom ghillie headpiece. Now this is always the most important part of your body to conceal your head. Is the piece that sticks out. It's also the head and shoulders area is the part of the body that the human eye is drawn to, and it stands out. I often see players wearing big ghillie cloaks and trousers, and then after a few minutes they'll take their headpiece off and have a white painted face and black glasses. That's always not going to end well, guys. So if you do have to choose one piece of concealment, make sure it's the headpiece, because it really is the most important part of the body that you're going to cover up, as you can see here. So here I realise that the opponents are pretty well dug in to those fabricated buildings. The windows are quite small and quite good keyholes for them to shoot through. So I reposition myself, having pinpointed at least half a dozen of the opponents, and I move over to the right-hand flank, so grouping up with my 2 teammates here, one of whom is carrying one of the bombs. I'm not sure at this point where the other bomb is, but we move over to the right-hand flank, which I'm sure is much more weakly defended.
Get the mound. You see these 2 blocks here. Keep. Okay. Shooting.
So here's the second bomb, which had presumably been left by some of our teammates slightly earlier in the game. You can see it there on the floor. Pretty sure that's the only defender, so I reload my pistol and prepared to make a move with the bomb and try to plant it.
Well,
on the bank. So at this point I'm pretty sure it's a clean run straight through to the fortress, having taken out the only defender that was left in that right hand flank. I've dropped my VSR by the shed that I left there, and I've got the bomb. So fingers crossed, I'm just hoping there's no defenders hidden in the fortress here.
Mission will end in 4 minutes. I repeat, 4 minutes till mission ends.
You can see there one of the opponents in the background trying to move up and get into the fortress to disarm the bomb. But he's not going to get there in time. I get the bomb armed and prepare
Objective box
the defenders to try and disarm it, and they don't come, and that is the mission complete. And what happens next is we spin the game around and play it in reverse. So if you'd like to see the reverse, stick around. There's some highlights just coming up now. Now we've actually, at this point, I've fast forwarded right through to the position where we've already got the enemy have already got the bombs planted, and I very quickly move in to try to disarm them. But what I do here, I actually accidentally arm the bomb. I can hear one of the bombs is armed, and I thought it was this bomb, and rather foolishly I arm it myself, which as a defender is not the right idea.
Objective box armed.
Surrender, surrender, surrender! Yeah.
So I got a little bit lucky there, realised I've armed the bomb, and I disarm it again.
Objective box disarmed.
I can hear there is another bomb in the area, and it's over in that far corner, so I quickly make a move to disarm that and prepare for the inevitable assault from the attackers.
Objective box disarmed.
So at this point I can hear the attackers all approaching. There's several of them outside, there's someone moving there in the background, so I get taken out there. But I do have a respawn left. We do have 3 lives each, so I head back to the respawn and come back into the game as an attempt to retake the bombs.
Well played. Just be because he's.
Objective box disarmed.
That's alright, bud.
if you're interested in this pistol that I am using, it is a custom pistol. It's not commercially available. It's an airsoft pistol, an air pistol which has been converted to airsoft by a friend of mine and has an R-hob installed, and that's me taking out the game. The attackers do eventually get the bomb armed, and it's one apiece. I hope you enjoyed this gameplay guide. A little bit different to my normal style, but I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching.